We're at Interpack 2026, this time at the stand of Taghleef Industries. Thank you for being with us today. Maybe you could briefly introduce yourself, tell us what you do at the company.
Thank you. I'm Oscar Hernandez. I am the sales director for Europe at Taghleef Industries.
Thank you so much. So we're here at Interpack 2026. The show, it's usually about innovation, new products. What are some of your highlights?
Well, we have different highlights. We are working towards, PPWR. We are presenting thin materials. We are presenting also barrier films. We are presenting also coated films. We are presenting also NATIVIA products, which are home compostable, different than industrial compostable. So we have plenty of options on flexibles, on labels.
Maybe you could tell us about the industry in general. What are some of the trends driving the market right now? What do you say?
Well, I think sustainability today is driving the change. As I mentioned before, regulations are very demanding. We have 2030 on the horizon to commit or to implement, PPWR. So all our new products are conceived in order to meet all the new regulations that are coming into place. So I would say sustainability is number one, and also how to approach the business in a way that we are becoming, let's say, more friendly to the consumer.
So Interpack 2026, we have three hot topics: smart manufacturing, innovative materials, and future skills. Maybe you can pick one of those, tell them what's most relevant for your company.
Well, I think innovation is driving our company because we have plenty of technology, skills, and also know-how. And this, together with the market demands that we have today in the market, we can develop new products. And these new products are conceived today, but in the near future, you will see more and more and more.
So we're here, as I said, at Interpack 2026. You care to make a prediction for the future, what we can expect to see maybe Interpack 2029?
I think that today we have on sustainability a big challenge. Not just, on the raw materials we are using, but also on the consumer's mind. I think we need to, let's say, convince them that plastic is a safe place to be, right? We need to increase our recycling capabilities, right? So this in the future will play a very important part. So we have sustainability on one side, we have recyclability, and also the new technology in terms of heat barrier films, coating films, all of these things, yeah.
Okay. Well, Interpack 2029, we're going to catch back up with you, see how things go. But we thank you for your time. We really appreciate it. Thank you
very much.